Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's in the morning and I have to open for my hen to feed, to see sunlight and all that. So it's a busy morning. I just have to wake up and start feeding my chicks and my hen and my cocks and all that. I do enjoy so much doing this in the morning because it's the right time to do this, because when they are full in the morning they are not going to chip all the day, they are going to be silent. And guys, I do love these chicks so much because as you can see, these ones are very healthy. And guys, right now they are so big now enough. So if you have been watching my videos, you have seen them from being small chicks, and right now they are big and ready to be eaten. And guys, I'm so proud of my project. So these other chicks here, you remember this hen? It was a small one there without chicks, and guys, it was not laying by that time, but right now it have chicks and now they are 3 days old. And guys, I love this so much, it's very interesting. So guys, tune in, see how I do my feeding and all that during the day. Stay tuned guys. So guys, this is their sleeping area. And guys, for these ones, they are cabbage leaves. It helps them with digestion. So when they wake up in the morning, they start eating them one by one. So I just keep them here because it helps them with digestion. During the day, if they are done eating, I'm going to throw for them to start. For the small ones, I'm going to break them with a knife. And guys, I cut them into small pieces so that they can be able to feed from them. So it helps them with digestion. The small ones, I keep them outside to see sunlight, and guys, enjoy the sunlight. So stay tuned guys, continue watching, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And guys, I do appreciate so much. Stay tuned guys.